Shenzhen Sinowin Wine Accessories Company Limited is an enterprise which is specialized in developing, designing, manufacturing, and marketing wine accessories. We provide R&D, OEM, ODM services. Our main products are stainless steel ice cubes, wine opener, wine aerator, wine pourer, wine stopper. With the widely use of our wine accessories in many fields, we have successfully been one of the leaders in the wine accessories field in China after many years of hard working. Our products have been exported to 25 countries and areas in America, Europe, and Southeast Asia. Quality is our culture. We own experienced technicians and advanced production equipment. With the quality management of ISO 9001, our products have been proved by SGS, FDA, and LFGB. To view the future, we will make continuous efforts in innovation, upholding our duty to meet our customers' new demands and greater challenges. While creating value, we hope to sell superior quality products in the world. All of us are expecting to serve local and overseas companies well by ensuring quality and delivery date. We supply efficient, elegant, and fashionable products to each of our customers. Values of Sinowin. Customers' need is the first priority. Meticulously made, considerately served, trustworthiness management, strive for excellence, common development. Sincerely welcome to visit our company, and we will show you our professional production process. We are looking forward to cooperating with you to create a brilliant future.